You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. You don't need to add additional 2 here, okay? So these are the differences between both type of questions, okay? So here for 2 to the power h greater than or equal to 252, which means you can go for 2 to the power 8 gives you 256, right? So that is the closest value possible because you can't go less than 252, okay? It should be greater than or equal to 252. So the best choice is 2 to the power 8. You can't go for 2 to the power 9 because at that time you will get around 512. Okay, 512 is too much higher than the required host value. Okay, if they are requiring 250 means go for the closest value but greater than or equal to that value. Okay, so 256. So now we have found h is equal to 8, right? Which means your number of host bits are 8. In this IP address, altogether you will have 32 bits. So here for this 250 host requirement, you only need 8 bits. Okay. So for the host portion, if you need 8 bits, what about the network portion? Okay. So network portion you can simply calculate by deducting it from 32. So 32 minus 8 is going to give you 24. So your network portion is having 24 bits, which means your slash number is CIDR is going to be 24, right? So if CIDR is 24, you can simply write the subnet mask. So first 3 octets, 8, 16, 24. All these are going to be network portion, so filled with ones. So you can write it as 255.255.255.0, right? So next, after writing the mask, you need to go for the multiplier. Okay. To find the multiplier, you need to find from right side to left side, which is the last change occurred octet. So here the last changed octet is 255, right? The third octet. So what are you going to do is you are going to deduct this last change of occurred octet from 256. Okay. So if it is happening in the second octet, you will deduct it from the 256. If the last change occurred in the fourth octet, you can deduct the value from 256. If it is happening on the second octet, again you can deduct the value from the 256. Okay. So 256 minus the 255 equals 1. Okay. So the multiplier is going to be 1 on the third octet. So here in the third octet, the value is 192.168.0. 0 is in the third octet. So in that third octet, the value is going to increase by 1, okay, for each subnet. So 192.168.0 is one subnet, 192.168.1 is another subnet, 192.168.2 is another subnet, 192.168.3 is another subnet. Okay, likewise it's going to happen. So after finding the multiplier, you can start writing your networks. You can see it here. So the multiplier means the increment on the particular octet. So here third octet, it should increase by 1. So 192.168.0.0/24 now is the first subnet. Okay, why? We know now the network portion value is /24, so you can write it as /24. Okay, not 16. 16 is the IP they gave. After finding the subnet details, we change it into 24. So what about finding the next network address? Next subnet is 192.168.1.0/24. Why? The multiplier is 1. What about the third subnet, 192.168.2.0/24 and 3.0/24? Likewise it goes. Okay.